Python programming language installation completely in your system, Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating system. Step by step explain. Desktop Windows search box lo control panel enter. First one, control panel, select window, maximize programs and features option, click. First one, Python ideal 64-bit, select, mouse right click, uninstall, first option, click. Python window lo first button, yes, click. Taskbar, Python window, open, uninstalling progress, removing Python executable files. Wait and here few minutes. Uninstall was successful. Close button, click. Next, second one, Python launcher, select, mouse right click, uninstall, first option, click. Python window lo first button, yes, click. To set up files, remove from control panel, window close, desktop file explorer document open, Python saved files. In case unnecessary, select, mouse right click, delete. Left side, this PC, select. First one, new volume C, select, open. Second one, program files folder, select, open. Python 314 folder, select, mouse right click, delete icon, click. Left side, new volume C, select, user folder, select, open. First one, PC system username folder, select, open. Python history, select, mouse right click, delete icon, click, close. Next, keyboard shortcut key Control R, press run command window lo percentage app data percentage, type, first button, OK, click. Python folder, select, mouse right click, delete, fourth icon, click. After uninstallation completed, system restart must.